Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorials we will dive into the custom theme building for our Magento. We already set up our Magento store and we have created the virtual host, so my website is running on the Australian pipes.local. So when we create the custom theme, basically we have to we have to implement this design to our Magento. So for this we have to create a custom theme. To create a custom theme, there are three files is mandatory. Basically, two files is mandatory, and the third one is the optional. So for this, first of all, we have to go inside the app folder. There is a design folder available. Inside that, there is a front end folder. Inside it, we have to create the Magento. It's a vendor name. Basically, you can create. It's a by default created by the Magento, the folder Magento. You can create here any name what you want, what you described as a vendor. So I have here mentioned the Magento, and inside it I have created the Australian pipe. That is my theme name. Okay, after creating this folder, we have to create three files: theme.xml and registration.php and composer.json file. So inside the theme.json file, here we have to define the title that I have mentioned here, the Australian pipe. Inside it we have to mention the parents. Basically Magento provide the two themes by default. One is the blank and another one is the Luma. So I want to extend the Luma theme, and here is the media file. This is the preview file. Basically this preview file display in the admin area. So basically you have some ideas that what type of theme you are creating and what is the view. So I can show you the image. I have created the folder media. Inside that I have added the preview.png image. Here you can see this is the design what we have created. So the same preview image I have added here. It will display in the admin. I will show you later on. So second file, to register your theme in the system, add a registration.php file, and inside that you have to use the component registrar class. So basically you have to use this Magento framework component registrar, and this component registrar register a theme. So here you have to mention the directory name, like it's a front end Magento and the Australian pipe. So here is front end Magento and the Australian pipe, and here is the this is the directory. So we have defined the directory here. Okay, so third one is the composer.json. Here I have added a name, theme front end Australian pipe. So because this theme is for the front end, so I have added the front end, and what it is, this type is the Magento theme, and this theme you can add here the version. It is up to you what you want to add. You want to add it 1.0.1, and it is the fine. It is up to you. Basically require, and it is dependent on the 8.1 and 8.2. So either it's mean that your PHP version should be 8.1 or 8.2, or you can say it should be 8.1 or greater than 8.1, and below the 8.2 or basically the 8.2. Okay, so these are the three files. After creating it, we can use the web folder for the static files. If you want to create some static files, so you have to create the web folder, and here we have created the CSS folder and the font folder and the image folder and the JS folder. After creating these folders, you have to just clean the cache with the command sudo php bin magento cache flush. Okay, and after that let me give the permission, and let's go to the admin panel. So after login in the admin, you have to go inside the content folder and the theme folder. When you click on the theme folder, it will open and display the theme. Like I already told you, Magento already provide by default the Magento blank and the Magento Luma. And just go back. So we have created the theme Australian pipe. So here and it is dependent on the Magento Luma. So here my theme is featuring. If I click on the view, you will see the preview image here also. So that is the image what we have added in our code. Okay, so to apply this theme, you have to go to the content and click on the configuration folder. Okay, so here is your store, and just click on the last one here, edit. I already applied the Australian pipe theme here. Whenever you will open the file, then there will be the no themes selected there. So here my theme is featuring, so I just selected it here and just save the configuration. So after saving the configuration, your theme is applied to the store. For the confirmation, you just refresh the home page, and if it doesn't show on the front end, you again need to clear the cache and then refresh the page, and you will see. Let me show you. Here you can see like everything is coming from the Australian pipe English required JS Magento Australian file. So it means our theme has been applied successfully on the stores. So in my next video we will show you how we can add the custom less file and the fonts. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you very much.